exclusive from DJ Cody.
Gotta come down. Now my neighbor's driveway is a little bit better. Branches are down, all with the circular saw. And there you go. Listen to the birds in the trees. Nature at its best. Leave your comments to tell me, what is this noise? You remember that movie, The Birds? Old school. Now look at that. Practically went away. Wow. Get back louder. Guess I spoke too soon. The trees is coming down. It's coming down, baby. Booyah, baby, booyah.
You got design, baby, let's go.
Told I was gonna go to higher places. Making it do what it do. Let's go, baby. But these last two tree limbs, they gotta go. These last two tree limbs, one's gotta go that way, and the other one gotta go that way. They gotta go. Making it do, baby, making it do. In and out the tree. That's why I had to come down. It was just falling apart. Every time there's a rain, tree branches are in the yard. But, as you can see, they made a home for it. Now get all this stuff out of here and get back to the green grass. Thank you, Lord.